Okay friends, so we discussed about isometric views in engineering drawing. This is the another problem, second problem. Second problem, how to develop isometric view if the orthographic views are available. So if you see here, here there is a front view and top view is given. Front view and top view is given. By using this front view and top view, we have to develop isometric view. Isometric view already have drawn isometric view because suppose if I want to draw, it takes a lot of time during the explanation and explaining and developing the view. It takes a lot of time. That's why already I developed and I will explain nicely. You can easily understand. Don't worry. First you have to observe this front view and top view. Front view and top view. This is the top view. Maybe top view. This is the front view. So front view, see that obviously in front view, what are the dimensions they are coming? Length and height. Length and height. Length and height. So this is the height. This is the length. So if you observe this in front view, so there is a block here. There is a block. Suppose this is the depth of the block. This is the length of the block. So length of the block, because in the front view you can get only depth and length details of any block, any part in this front view. So here there is a block. There is a block here. This block depth equal to 10, length equal to 24. Total length equal to this is the 60. Height equal to 30. Height equal to 30. That you have to understand. Here this is the dotted line. The depth 12. Depth 12. There is a dotted line. That means so that line is not visible in the isometric view. Isometric view. Okay, let us see that. Next part is this is the one part is there. This is the 10 width equal to length. In the length there is a 10 dimension part. This is the block is the entire depth is there. Entire depth is there. This is the length. This is the length part. This is the depth part. So therefore in the front view we can see only length of that particular part and depth. Length of that particular part and depth. Okay. Here of course length here also, this is the dotted line. This is the depth equal to 12, length equal to 60. Length equal to 60. This is the part. This is the part. This is the part. That is equal to depth equal to 10. That is the length equal to 24. This is the part. The length part equal to 10. Depth equal to 30. Length equal to 30. Suppose from this front view, obviously we have to develop the top view. So from these lines are extended. These lines are extended so that you draw this is the length. In the top view, if you observe that length and width, please try to understand. Length and width we can get in the top view, because we are seeing in this direction. In this direction, only length and width. So from this part top view, I can first I have to develop this block with 45 width, 60 length. Suppose this is the line. Of course, this is the entire block is there. So this is the line. So therefore this is not visible here. Okay, this line is not there. So length. Okay, in the top view, any part details we can get only length and width. Here length and depth. Suppose if you want to develop that part, we have to take that length, width, depth, 3 dimensions. 3 dimensions in the isometric view. From that 3 dimensions we can imagine that part. You coming to here. You coming to that here. You coming to that here. This part. These are of course these are extended here. This line is also extended here. Here you see that here. This is the 24 length, depth 12. You see here that this is the 24. That width equal to 15. Okay, understand? This 12 line, this is the line, this is the 12, this one. So this is the in top view, in the front view, this is the length, this is the depth. This is the in top view, this is the width, this is the 12 is also width. Length, depth and width same, 12 and 12. Length is 60. Okay, that is over, that part is over. So you coming to this part, this is the 24 and 10. That part is this one, this one. So this is the 24, width equal to 15. So therefore this block dimensions are length 24, width 15, depth 10. So you combine these three things, we can get this part complete details we can develop in the isometric view. Okay, you coming to this part here, is the 10, this is also 10, this is also 10. You see here, this is 10, this is also 10. So length, width 10, 10, depth 30, depth 30. So therefore this part is removed. This part is 10 by 10 by 10 into 30. That part is removed. That's why it is looking like this. Looking like this in the top view. In this top view. So by using these details we can develop the isometric view. Okay, coming to development of the isometric view of these two by using this front view and the top view. First you have to know the what is the total length, width and depth. By using these three dimensions, first you develop a block here. This is the 60, height 30, width 45. Like this. By using this I constructed a block here. This is the 30, 60, 45. This is also 30, this is also 45, this is also 60, this is also 60, this is the 30, this is the 30, this is the 60, this is the 45. I have developed first that block. In that block I have to fit this front view, and by using this front view and top view details, these parts are to be fitted here. Okay, first I would like to develop these this part, this dotted line. This is the dotted line. This is the 12, depth, length 60, that width equal to 12. So therefore you see here, this is the width, so you put it here on this line 12, width, this is the width part 12, width equal to 12. You 12 part, take a point here, and depth 12, this is the 12, you take a point here, measure 12. At this point you join this line and you draw a horizontal line with this line. You box this way parallel to this one, you draw a line. Okay, once you draw a line, that line, so this part is, once that line, this part is not visible. This part is not, because that is a sloped surface. Back, that this is a sloped surface. This is the sloped surface. So that's why this is not visible. You can remove that part. I have removed that part. Understand here? So okay. Next you coming to that is over. Next part you looking, next part we develop this block. This is the length 24, width 15, depth 10. So therefore from top view it is started in this corner, so I have started in this corner. So from on this line, this is the you know that this is the line, this is the outer line of that box. From this is the 15, so from here this point you draw a line with 24, length 24, parallel to this one 24. At this point you draw parallel to this one, this is also 15, this is also 15, this is parallel to this one 15. So at this point depth equal to 10, so this is the draw a line 10 parallel to this one, parallel to depth, this one. Once you draw this one and this line and this line and this line and this line, automatically, so depth equal, this is also 10, this is also 10, this is also 10, this is also, you draw a line 10. Once you draw these corner vertical lines, you join this one, and you join this one. Once these are completed, we can remove these lines. You see that, so that we can get that part. You see here. Yes. Now this line is visible, so that, yes, got it. Now this part is completed. This part is a length 24, width 15, depth 10. That part is completed. This block is completed. This is looking like this. This is looking like this. Part is over. Next, coming to that, this corner, you come. This another part is there. This is the 10. This is the 10. Depth equal to 30. Depth 30. That piece is taken out. That piece is removed here. From this top view and front view, we can understand that this piece is removed at this corner. So therefore, it is set up in this direction 30 degrees. 50, I think 30 degrees, 30 degrees, 30 degrees. So therefore, obviously, this horizontal line 10, this line 10. That line is parallel to this one. So of course, this line is parallel to this one. This line is parallel to this one. This one, or this line is parallel to this one. This line is the 10. Is the 10 length part, width part 10. This is the length part 10. This is the width part 10. Depth 30. So this is the depth 30. Of course, you are looking in this direction, appearing like this. This is appearing like this. So therefore, like that we can develop this part. Part. Once you develop that part, we can remove these parts, these things. We can remove these things so that you can get a clear picture. Yes. Now you can see that. You can see that this is a height equal to is the 30. Okay. So now we can get the complete isometric view of this front view and top view. You can easily understand. This is not difficult to construct this problem. Construct this problem. So I explain again. Please first you have constructed the box with length 60 and width 45 and height 30. That box is constructed. Let us assume. So here this part is equal to, this is the length equal to, first this one, this dotted line. Depth equal to 12, length equal to 24, width equal to here, width to length 12. So by using that terms, you can length from here to 12, from here to width to 12. So that means you join this line and you draw this line. So that this is the slant sloped surface. So the once you join the part is removed. This part is removed. That's it. This part is removed. Understand? Next, I would like to draw this part. So this part length 24, width 15, depth 10. So this is the place in this corner, left side corner. This is one. So therefore, I have started here. This is the line is here. From here to here 15 measured. At this point, I draw a line parallel to this one. This length equal to 24. Obviously, at 24, you draw this line parallel to this one. Automatically, this is 15. At this depth equal, this is the width, this is the length. Depth equal to 10. You draw a line parallel to this one, 10. If you join these lines, this line, and these are also 10 parallel to this one. This is also a line. This is also 10 parallel to this one, this one. Next, you can join these lines like this. This is the line. This is the line. You can remove this one. You can get this part. That is completed. Next part is this one. This is the length equal to 10, width equal to 10, depth equal to 30. So that is the in this corner. This is the place in this corner. So therefore, when we are set up 30 degrees, this line, this is the length, this is the width. The width is looking coincide with this vertical line. Coincide with this vertical line at this point. That we have to understand. So therefore, here you draw this line 10 parallel to this one. This is the draw a line. This one parallel to this one. This is the 10. Automatically, this is the met this point on this height. So therefore, you join this one. And here this is the line is join this one. This is the line is join this one. So if this width equals 15, you join this line. So this is the isometric of this front view and top view. Like this, we can draw this front view and isometric view of this front view and top view.